and gentlemen, 3 5-minute rounds in the ACB featherweight division. Introducing first the fighter on my left. He is a BJJ specialist, standing 170 centimeters tall. He weighed in at 66.3 kilos with a pro record of 20 wins and 4 defeats. Fighting out of Florianopolis, Brazil, Felipe Cruz. And now his opponent, standing across the cage and fighting out of the red corner. He's a freestyle wrestler, standing 170 centimeters tall. He weighed in at 66.3 kilos with a record of 13 wins and 3 defeats. Fighting out of Bielefeld, Germany, Lomali Leon Escayan. Your referee when the fight begins, Big John McCarthy.
How вечно ломали, братан. Давай, ломай, давай. Ова! Добить ее! Во! 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 Аллаху акбар! Добить ее! Добить ее! Аллах акбар! Вышло, а? Ладно, дик выйдет. О, понял, все. Yeni Muan oynuyor.
Ladies and gentlemen, the fight stops at 134, round number 1. Your winner by way of knockout, Lomali Leon. and gentlemen, 3 5-minute rounds in the ACB flyweight division. Introducing first from the USA, Darren Mima.
I'm from the Hard Rock Academy, automatically hop on impossible, just to get where I tossed them. Subnautic, me and Top got you like cockpit. She want a pit stop, just to see how the bosses deposit, the profit, and watches, we pop it. On top of the ostrich and foxes. I used to be a little stressed, now I'm a boss while I'm wrong with a last on my chest.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, his opponent, representing Germany, Ronnie Saade.
Automatically hop on impossible, just to get where I tossed them. Subnautic, me and Top got you like cockpit. She want a pit stop, just to see how the bosses deposit, the profit, and watches, we out it. On top of the ostrich and foxes. I used to be a little stressed, now I'm a boss while I'm wrong with a last on my chest. Yes.
See, I know you like my swagger. No strap when I come through. Chain hanging like you know how I do, the way that I move. You never go get it, cause I'm too smooth. You never go get it, watching the move. You never go get it, you ain't got a clue.
Who in the hell left the gate open? Pretty damn for the Wild Wild West like 1800s in them stagecoaches. If it ain't a 600 big body, the 6'4" spoken. The drama spokesman, streets endorse them. I'd rather be opening up my 9 and closing. No, from West Covina, this ain't Compton. Street money passed around like we taking an offering. I'm something like a phenomenon. When they see the sad, happy faces, then they know that the drama's on. It's the West Coast back at your front door. We up close in person, no ain't done till the curtains close. Could be friend or foe, love it or hate it. I'm the king, but I play with the aces. Run up to find out I keep it like bases. Get wise in your mouth and these ain't braces. Hey,
I know you like my swagger. No strap when I come through. Chain hanging like
Ladies and gentlemen, now 3 5-minute rounds in the ACB flyweight division. Introducing first, the fighter in the red corner. He is a mixed martial artist standing 167 centimeters tall. His weight 57.6 kilos. His professional record 9 wins and 5 defeats. Fighting out of New York, USA, Darren the Mean One Mima. And now now his opponent, standing across the cage and fighting out of the blue corner. He's a mixed martial artist standing 170 centimeters tall, weighing in at 57.15 kilos. His record an impressive 9 wins and 1 defeat, fighting out of Berlin, Germany, Ronnie Prince Sada. Your referee when the action begins, Lucas Poznański.
Avalen sarin boy koydu. Sen banca to je to već banko. Oba, because bor. Oba, уже все что ли? Oba. Fertig.
Ja, ilave.
Вообще это то и еще. Все. Все, короче, это Блин, ушел, если что.
Ladies and gentlemen, Lucas Poznański stops his fight at 59 seconds of round number 1. Your winner by tap out to the guillotine choke, Darren the Mean One Marma.
Your allegiance, get your boutiques on, all black, everything, black cars, all black, everything, and I girls are blackbirds, running with their diligence. I can't move in depth if you boys really ripping them. This is not familiar, I'll explain later, but for now, let me get back to this paper. I'm a couple bands down and I'm trying to get back. I gave another grip, I lost a flip for 5 stacks. Yeah, I'm talking 5,6 shots, 0 hit up. Back to running circles round niggas, now we squared up. Hold up.
Life's a game, but it's not fair. I break the rules, so I don't care. So I keep doing my own thing. Walking tall and breaking the rain.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, 3 5-minute rounds in the ACB featherweight division. Introducing first, fighting out of England, Andrew Fisher.
Well, you done me, you bet I felt it. I tried to beat you, but you're so hot that I melted. I fell right through the cracks. Now I'm trying to get back. Before the cool done run out, I'll be giving it my bestest. And nothing's gonna stop me but divine intervention. I reckon it's again my turn to win some or learn some. But I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm Open up your mind and see like me. Open up your plans and damn, you're free. I look into your heart and you'll find love, 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 love. Listen to the music of the moment, people dance and sing. We're just one big family, and it's our God-forsaken right to be loved, love, 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 love. So I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm sure there's no need to come back.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, his opponent fighting out of the red corner and representing Russia, Ekop Sniper Stepanyan. And now, ladies and gentlemen, 3 5-minute rounds in the ACB featherweight division. Introducing first, the fighter on my left, fighting out of the blue corner. He's a mixed martial artist, standing 178 centimeters tall. He weighs in at 66.2 kilos, with a pro record of 16 wins and 8 defeats. Fighting out of Sunderland, England, Andrew Fisher. And now his opponent, standing across the cage and fighting out of the red corner. He is a kickboxer, standing 175 centimeters tall, weighing in at 66.2 kilos. His record an impressive 25 wins, only 9 defeats. Fighting out of St. Petersburg, Russia, Ekop Sniper Stepanyan. Your referee for the action begins. Her team.
Ще боси гдаели. Первый нэг орезинг санерен за ордо.
Ламел дикир.
Да, ламел. Четвертый бой уже. Давай, давай. O Erno, orada Xudo oqan. Подножку мою чалку снимать. Ligec se dijede reально. Нормально. Опа. Ovo skučne boje, ono čorno. Jer ovo skučne boje, ovo. I kaj je te, da me ožirom? Nošku boje bez.
Ja sam isto manji, ali ja sam zaboravio da sam ovo stavio.
Давай. Короче, Рубович ovo skučno je stoptao izvanci.
A idemo da pušimo. Čim? Pa ne bojmo će da idemo
Dikca kaj je tada gostila steno za vino. Ovo je sada samo
Ovo ko da teruju da se...
riznjak sam.
Samo to će ovako što nam nismo hit, zato što je slobodno. Bacili smo to desno. Da vidi kad bude misli da pišemo i kad se vratimo da će bude pauza. Kad se vratimo da će bude pauza.
صديق دوخن وين هروكا صديق دوخن وين هروكا
Sve se.
Sniper od sabora. Ne sam da je sniper, a kičkica. Sad zakon, alergiju, celica, da je šupa pa ide. Oba. Kaj te adem, sniper sa ovo. Inska i ti su, a sniper onda. Ohčuva YouTube i ohčuva čestuješ uho.
Intervju je tak, Ongar, intervju je tak. sam diyor, adamı red düşmedi oluyor. Kika diyor, sam diyor, adamı red düşmedi oluyor. Kika ne dikler ya.
Chạy á, đừng lớn. Thịt lớn.
What let's see what.
Daha uçak geliyor oraya. Dia jadi ada.
Ниже пояса ты видишь. Глазеняться, големяться. И худо рецега.
Ниже пояса.
Сац мои цели, бой ниже пояса мог.
Выход, передаться. А у Яйко доктор? Он каждый у Яйко. А, кладу, или не мой. Вот или. Что, и что мы?
Мощь, озенаца. Мощь.
Да. Ну, hop, вот я держу за вау, держи. Полно ты видишь? Я тебя даю, помоги. Хотя вот и комби ведь.
О, ну, я монгой. Dehal gördü ona sorsa. Dehal.
Ladies and gentlemen, Herding stops the fight at 101, round number 2. Your winner by TKO due to injury, Andrew Fisher.
Done me, but I felt it. I tried to beat you, but you're so hot that I melted. I fell right through the cracks. Now I'm trying to get back. Before the cool done run out, I'll be giving it my bestest, and nothing's gonna stop me but divine intervention. I reckon it's again my turn to win some or learn some, but I won't hang. Yes, I'll take no more. It cannot wait. I'm yours. Open up your mind and see like me. Open up your plans and damn, you're free. I look into your heart and you'll find love. Listen to the music of the moment, people dance and sing. We're just one big family, and it's our God-forsaken right to be loved, love. So
And now, ladies and gentlemen, 3 5-minute rounds in the ACB light heavyweight division. Please welcome first, fighting out of Spain, Daniel Jacare. And now, ladies and gentlemen, his opponent fighting out of the red corner, representing Brazil, Thiago Silva. And now, ladies and gentlemen, 3 5-minute rounds in the ACB light heavyweight division. Introducing first the fighter on my left. He's a mixed martial artist standing 188 centimeters tall, weighing in at 93.4 kilos. His record, 6 wins and 4 defeats. Fighting out of Malaga, Andalusia, Spain, Daniel Jacare. And now his opponent, standing across the cage and fighting out of the red corner. A mixed martial artist standing 185 centimeters tall, weighing in at 93.45 kilos. His record, 19 wins and 6 defeats. From Sao Paulo, Brazil, I give you the former ACB light heavyweight champion, Thiago Silva. Your referee when the action begins, Big John McCarthy.
Уверен, все равно, Allah, вам охаве. Ovo. Sen men kalla avaktan mı yok? Mist eda avaktan da. So, короче, ACB hažuje, ну, stare. Давай, что tu és, что? Что без больше? Промахиваться, смотри, мозг взяла. Нормально, законно.
Primero, tú primero, vamos, vamos. No esperando. Vamos. Vamos, Dani, let's go. Vamos, Dani, vamos! Vamos, Dani!
Ja, wat
Ovo je promah za žestoke. Šeleci hajde ti svojci. Kamerat laualaan saada. Se yksi muu kun ottamaan ihan ahveen niin.
Questo è uno spalo. Lahko verdo ez dio moš se ne. Mamie do šlange na go.
Samo on tu Anson būs mahdollisuus on tiestää.
A la derecha primero, Dani, a la derecha primero. Muy bien, Dani.
Da se ne čuje nego vidi. To se guši.
Come on, Danny!
Tu.
Muy bien, Dani. Bueno, Dani, ahí. Última. Rapino, Dani, solo rapino.
Šelo bakc ebe la.
On jedan hoće se ne, on se guši. To kad se Marko da.
Come on, Dani. Bien, Dani.
Šelo leo evo ce la.
Samo na Instagram praštaj. Aj, au.
Uidah, jo.
A čo asi je to, što sada toho da major?
Dani, prešotan!
A ovaj koks te letko švac, on koks on tos.
Vamos, Dani! Vamos!
O, давай, koks.
Sí, eso es. A la derecha, Dani. Sí, eso. Vamos, Dani, vamos!
Gdje to vidjelo od tvojeg djela?
Siempre ofreció.
Normalno, Sundet så det sagt til jeg klokken. Kog halu så jo že.
Retu.
Od specijalna celica, da?
O, ušao уже почти. Tretji round, da biti virbucovoj kvag. Idi ku... Normalna alba,
gentlemen, this fight ends at 4:29 of round number 2. Your winner by knockout, Thiago Silva. Ladies and gentlemen, next up is 3 5-minute rounds in the ACB middleweight division. Introducing first, representing Slovakia, Roland Kamba. And now, ladies and gentlemen, his opponent, representing Russia, Muhammad Alshin.
Allah
ladies and gentlemen, 3 5-minute rounds in the ACB middleweight division. Introducing first on my left, fighting out of the blue corner, a mixed martial artist, standing 183 centimeters tall, weighing in at 84.2 kilos, his professional record, 12 wins, only 4 defeats. Fighting out of Nova Zamki, Slovakia, Roland Kamba. And now his opponent, standing across the cage and fighting out of the red corner. He is a BJJ specialist, standing 178 centimeters tall, weighing in at 84.2 kilos, his record 16 wins and 4 defeats. Fighting out of Nazran, Russia, Muhammad Alshin. Ladies and gentlemen, your referee when the action begins is Lucas Pozatsky.
Okay, fighters, know the rules. Listen to my commands all the time. Stop, you stop, tak, bros? Go back to the corners.
No, čemu? No, čemu?
Ale on je to sudija je to, ove što sedi punkterista dole, je to?
Može, ovo to slušao.
Poslušaj ga, volio ovo suđeno već.
A polja, što se je?
Slovak, koji on?
Sjedio je ulici sigurno.
Evo, sad Böyle Slovom sad. Давай, але От я гордо ходиш.
Došao sam ja to ovdje gledam na televiziju.
Zügel bola, wushu. 원래 오점에 그렇게 좋아. 원래 wushu szansa.
Došao si ovdje da snimiš televiziju. Vidiš šta? Došao ovdje da snimaš televiziju.
Havalı oluyor.
iş yok, öyle yaşıyor.
Ladies and gentlemen, Lucas Blazowski stops his fight at 325, round number 1. Your winner by TKO to the strikes, Muhammad Austin. And now, ladies and gentlemen, 3 5-minute rounds in the ACB welterweight division. Please welcome, representing Bulgaria, Georgi Valentina. Ladies and gentlemen, his opponent, fighting out of the red corner and representing Austria, Ismail Naujian. gentlemen, 3 5-minute rounds in the ACB welterweight division. Introducing first the fighter on my left, a mixed martial artist standing 180 centimeters tall, weighing in at 77.25 kilos. His record an impressive 18 wins, only 3 defeats. Fighting out of Stara Zagora, Bulgaria, Georgi Valentina. And now his opponent, standing across the cage and fighting out of the red corner. He is a mixed martial artist standing 183 centimeters tall, weighing in at 77.6 kilos. His record, 12 wins and 2 defeats. Fighting out of Salzburg, Austria, Ismail Nardian. Your referee, when the action begins, is Herb Dean.
All right, gentlemen, we've been over the rules. Protect yourself at all times. Follow my instructions. Gotta keep it clean. Touch the gloves.
За кого ste vi? Oko globo, oba. Ja sam za ovoga Austrijanca. Ako bude ratom ćemo čuvati.
ACB 74. Двигаться, да, Шварца, двигаться надо, двигаться.
Dobre, Žore!
Znači imamo probušen. Ja ću idemo na med vjerat, da idemo na aparat.
Šta je super? Idemo?
Pa u pauzi može ići.
Neće ovdje.
Poslije kad se završi. Pa ko će otvori kuj?
To je žena.
Pa da ne leta skratiti. Vi kan, ja, så blækker det ikke. Det kan næste.
Squad!
gentlemen, this fight stops at 3:10 of round number 1. Your winner by knockout, Ismail.
Come in, my friends. Ismail Nuradiev, you screamed to me at the cage, the Austrian Wonder Boy is back. How does it feel to get back in the winning column in such emphatic style?
Bravo, Johnny!
This feeling is great! Perfect!
Bravo, Johnny! Bravo, Johnny!
I feel very good. And I was self-confident in this fight. I knew that George is a good fighter, but I believed in myself and I knew I will win this fight.
Now, we can see you're just tending to your arm there. What's happened? Is it your hands, your wrist? Is that when you hit him?
I don't know, man. I think I broke. I can't...
Yeah, it doesn't look good, my friend. It doesn't look good. Oh my goodness, but let's talk about that finish, that spinning heel kick. Is that something you planned? Is that something you saw that would open up as a weapon?
20 cheese, baby!
Listen, my friend, you're a happy man. I'm not going to shake that hand. I'll give you a little high five there. Give it up once more for the Austrian Wonder Boy, Ismail Nuradiev!
Ich möchte mich bei allen bedanken, die heute gekommen sind. Besonders an mein Team da hinten. Hat euch mein Kampf gefallen? Brian, I want to say, I like you. You are a good guy, man.
Like you too, my friend. Give it up one more time. Ismail Nuradiev!
And now, ladies and gentlemen, 3 5-minute rounds in the ACB middleweight division. Please welcome, represent the USA, Clifford Starks.
Today
And now, ladies and gentlemen, here is his opponent, representing Russia, Abdulrahman Tsarnaev.
Я скажу то, что для тебя не новость. Мир не такой уж солнечный и приветливый. Это очень опасное, жесткое место. И если только дашь слабину, он опрокинет с такой силой тебя, что больше уже не встанешь. Ни ты, ни я, никто на свете не бьет так сильно, как жизнь. Совсем не важно, как ты ударишь, а важно, какой держишь удар, как двигаешься вперед. Будешь идти, иди, если с испугу не свернешь. Только так побеждают. Если знаешь, чего ты стоишь, иди и бери свое, но будь готов удары держать, а не плакаться и говорить: я ничего не добился из-за него, из-за нее, из-за кого-то. Так делают трусы, а ты не трус. Быть этого не может.
Через 3 минуты самая жестокая схватка за всю нашу профессиональную жизнь. Сегодня решится все. Или мы снова команда, или ломаемся. Отдаем момент за моментом, и тогда конец. Мы в аду, джентльмены. Поверьте, мы можем смириться с этим, и пусть тогда нас все вытирают ноги. Или же мы дадим бой и вырвемся, сражаясь и борясь. Я не могу это сделать за вас.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, 3 5-minute rounds in the ACB middleweight division. Introducing first the fighter on my left. He is a mixed martial artist standing 178 centimeters tall, weighing in at 84.2 kilos. His record, 14 wins and 4 defeats. Fighting out of Tempe, Arizona, USA, Clifford Big Cat Starks. And now his opponent, standing across the cage and fighting out of the red corner. A mixed martial artist standing 182 centimeters tall, weighing in at 84.3 kilos. His record, an impressive 8 wins, only 1 defeat. Fighting out of Grozny, Russia, Abdulrahman Tsarnaev. Your referee when the action begins, Big John McCarthy. We'll protect yourself at all times. Hold me in my hands. When I tell you stop everything you're doing. You want to touch gloves, touch them down. Good luck, both.
Oni uopšte imaju film. Pa i ova isto kod se vrti. Oni su skoro isti.
Watch his hip! Watch his hip! That's up to you! That's okay? Watch his hip! Go in your direction now! You off mine here too! Don't get ready! Keep walking down!
Tempo lá.
Watch
Oh, that's one.
Lead the leg! Lead the leg! Lift, lead the leg! A little bit harder than that. Get square back up with them. Get head control. Square back up. I want head control, son. I want head control. There you go. Need a leg.
Palec, Ward, palec.
Keep the head control. If you don't have the takedown, you're looking for the
Hadi
arm.
öyle sana.
Hey, get that hand off your arm. Use your leg. Use your leg. Good. Let's go, Cliff. High underhook. We're breathing here, Cliff. Let's start working now. Let's start working now. Let's start working now. Start working now. Head control. Head control. Remember my tight clean shield. You give it to you. Head control side. Cliff, I need more head control. Make it uncomfortable, please. High head control. All right, hands up. No, kick. Circle hip.
Whoa! Kuyruq şalı, stoyup. Ha? Ooo, Alas, Ward in реально. Cenk atıyorum sonuçta sonra.
Ja, desno mogu štetiti tako.
Evo šelare. Pauzama yok, herkese yaşıyor по идее. Çok satıyor çok.
Wow!
Ništa do sad su bile već 7-8. Glavno je Riba. To je glavno. To je tek Censt. Ja se Censt, glaube ich, sollte letzte. Kommt drauf an, zavisi, veste, ako ima puno kaosti, jasno kempe. Ako se ne bio do kraja, veste, da kao plus. Kommt drauf an. Ekstra. Jeste Marcel, taj kip.
Slatki je da sam boga, da kažeš.
Ja, mi smo uzeli one bifka dole, si direktan kip.
A, i tek je. To je nabio sam.
70% Čečenici.
Da, hatara.
Ali civilizovani. Kad znaš koliko policije koliko su. Dobro se sve da prešapaju. Ja, Rade, Mario i Dragi radi to drugo.
Pojď k nám, jo, čo sú? Šíron to chodne. Prehod nozi.
Docking station kaže. Docking station. Zwei Kühle, neue Handy, tamo.
Hej, šta, ovo je?
Dobro. A ja sam mislio da ti damo onu decking station, da ti damo cipin. Dajmo tvoj, da platim.
Come on, Fred, let's get out. Use the front leg on the bench. Take your toe down. Listen, doesn't want to box him. Underhook. Underhook. Double under. Okay, let's we can move out and take your time. Maintain the line up, underhook. Be lazy here. Don't get your head control. Let's get your head inside. Short time for this. We can win this round. Get on. Let's go, Cliff. Let's go, Cliff. Pop. Come on, pop. Stop. Pop. Come on, hit Cliff. Go.
Kök şaldavayt, kök şaldavayt ay.
Kako daleko je krenuo?
Shit, ja bilo je še.
Ajde, ciraj kraj majke.
Filma da dačko ga. Tako da,
Ja, 5 Minuten. 6 minuta.
Kõik šaldavad, kõik šaldavad, et see Zagreba, see oli. O! Şimdi birlikte çözün.
这来，
这来说可以了。
正好去做什么？
Ladies and gentlemen, after 3 hard-fought rounds, we will go to the judges' scorecard, and the judges see this fight. Judge 1, 29-28, Janayev. 29-28, Starks. 29-28, Janayev. 30-27, Janayev, and 30-27, Janayev. Your winner by majority decision, Abdulrahman Janayev.
Я скажу то, что для тебя не новость. Мир не такой уж солнечный и приветливый. Это очень опасное, жесткое место. И если только дашь слабину, он опрокинет с такой силой тебя, что больше уже не встанешь. Ни ты, ни я, никто на свете не бьет так сильно, как жизнь. Совсем не важно, как ты ударишь, а важно, какой держишь удар, как двигаешься вперед. Будешь идти, иди, если с испугу не свернешь. Только так побеждают. Если знаешь, чего ты стоишь, иди и бери свое, но будь готов удары держать, а не плакаться и говорить: я ничего не добился ни из-за него, ни из-за нее, из-за кого-то. Так делают трусы, а ты не трус. Быть этого не может.
Через 3 минуты самая жестокая схватка за всю нашу профессиональную жизнь. Сегодня решится все. Или мы снова команда, или ломаемся. Отдаем момент за моментом, и тогда конец. Мы в аду, джентльмены. Поверьте, мы можем смириться с этим, и пусть тогда нас все вытирают ноги. Или же мы дадим бой и вырвемся.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, your next bout is 3 5-minute rounds in the ACB middleweight division. Introducing first, representing Bulgaria, Nikola Timchikov. And now his opponent fighting out of the red corner, representing Poland, Piotr Struve.
You're the better man. You wanna for the things that nobody can. All you need is to break away. Just keep telling yourself there's no shame. They don't know about who we are. They don't know about you and I. They don't mind how the stars of your heart. But hot blood love is gonna get us. And get up, and get up, and get up, get up, and get up, and get up, get
And now, ladies and gentlemen, 3 5-minute rounds in the ACB middleweight division. Introducing first the fighter on my left. He is a combat sambo specialist, standing 185 centimeters tall. He weighs in at 84.4 kilos with a record of 16 wins and 6 defeats. Fighting out of Sofia, Bulgaria, Nikola Divchika. And now his opponent, standing across the cage and fighting out of the red corner, a mixed martial artist standing 188 centimeters tall, weighing in at 84.3 kilos. His record, 11 wins and 3 defeats. Fighting out of Warsaw, Poland, Piotr Strus. Your referee when the action begins, Lucas Posadzki.
Numai commands all the time, and I say stop, please stop, but go back to the
Nekom će ne stanu rukavice.
Romazo.
Puxa
Уже кладемся на E и едет следующий, но в челота.
Da, ovo uno, ovaj.
Все, короче, да, я сделал все.